this. Pardon me guys, I have two screens, so that's why you're seeing this. Yeah, well, first you just go into your browser, you type Python, and there's Python download, and then you click that. Sometimes you'll get it, or sometimes you'll just get the Python, but you're looking for www.python.org. Yes, and then from there on, now you click that. It's gonna take you to a download page depending on your version. Right now, what you want to do now is to download, like I'm doing. Just download, click the download button. Fortunately for me, I have already downloaded, that's why it's saying duplicate download link here, so I'm just gonna cancel that. But for you now, you'll need to download it, have it on your workspace or in your downloads folder. It's fine, wherever, whatever the Python setup is. So from there on, now you're just gonna go to that download page. You I have other stuff here, just gonna type it here. Go, or you're just gonna head to your search bar. Just gonna tap the Windows button, and then type or search for command prompt, and then now you'll have your command prompt open. But remember guys, to me, I have already installed Python, that's why it's doing this, so I can cancel it. So to ensure that Python is installed, you're going to type now